Hello, hello, and welcome to Wummel's Hive. It's Christmas, and we're back again with Archie's paints. Countdown to Christmas, and the next day is gravy. But before we open that and look for it, have yourself a little look at this one. Garland is a gorgeous turquoise blue with a silvery turquoise sheen. Absolutely gorgeous. Still loving paper chains best so far, but we'll see. So that's that one. So let's see if we can find number 8. Is it going to jump out? No. Which means it's one of these two turned over ones. Let's go purple. Not purple. Pink. Right, let's pop these far away as if we're almost halfway through already. Crazy. I'm loving it though. I hope you guys are enjoying it too. Ah, we've got candies on the back. I think that's the first candies we've had. See, if this were last year, I'd be able to tell you, because I had old washi tape stuck to my camera mount for about 3 months. Right, what colour do we suppose gravy is, guys? I'm going to guess brown, but it could be a creamy brown, it could be a golden brown. Let's have a see. Woo! Oh, it's a lovely deep, deep brown. Oh, that's definitely a beef gravy, that one. Right, let's get some water added to this baby and see what happens. So I hope you guys are enjoying it and you're having a lovely Christmas preparation month so far. Wow, this is deep, deep brown. I'm still buying Christmas presents because I'm just not that organised. Ooh, this looks like it might have some gold glitter in it. Right, let's have a see. Oh, it's super dark. Look how dark that is, guys. And I do think I'm seeing little tiny bits of glitter in there. So let's get this little bauble coloured in. See if I can show you this glitter, because it looks like a beautiful new gold glitter. Big smoke floof just come off of my candle. I don't know if you all saw that. Right, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see this before it dries, but that's the colour. It's a lovely deep dark brown. And you might be able to see a little bit of the glitter there. I can see it because I can see it floating around in the paint itself. But as browns go, that one's pretty good. So that's day 8. Probably not one of my favourite ones, but I have to say it does make a change for it to be a very deep brown, which could come in useful if you were doing a full shine and shimmer painting, because a lot of these colours are very pastelised. So yeah, I'm quite enjoying that one as a brown goes. What do you think? Let me know down below. Until next time, when we're doing sugar cookies, who knows what colour that is, I will let you guys go and find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.